Hi everyone, Sam from the Bodycentre here. We have this Rover Evoque in for repairs this week behind me. I'm now going to show you a step-by-step process of this repair. Hope you enjoy. We're now in strip stage. We're now taking all the parts off necessary to fit the new quarter panel and then move down to the panel shop. Now in the panel shop with Matthew, we are now going to be removing the damaged quarter panel. The damaged quarter panel has now been removed. We're now going to clean up the necessary areas and test fit the new quarter panel onto the car.
This is Drew. He is what are you? He thinks he's a parts executive.
Now it's a little tense in here this morning. Matthew had a little freak win on FIFA last night on the PlayStation. But business is business, we've got to carry on. The new quarter panel's been prepped up. We're now going to test fit onto the car and get ready to cut and fit. The new quarter panel has been tacked and clamped into position. We're now going to mid-brace and spot weld the new quarter panel on, dress the joints, ready to move through to the primer shop. Shop with Danny. He's now going to prep the vehicle ready for the primer application. Now been prepped. We've chosen the shade of our primer, which will help with the coverage of the paint when we come to the paint shop. We're now going to back the vehicle up and apply the primer. primer's been applied, Danny is now blocking the primer down, so when the paint is applied, it is a flat finish. We're going to be fitting a new door onto this Range Rover Evoque. So as the door comes in the black Evo from the factory, we obviously have to colour the door, front and back. Due to the colour being metallic, we always have to blend into the next panel. You see the front wing is rubbed down, ready to have the colour applied. Now in the paint shop, Winky's now going to clean up the vehicle, degrease it, no dirt, mask the vehicle up to move it to the booth to be backed up. The prep stage has been complete, the masking up stage has been complete. We're now going to clean the vehicle down, bag up, and then we're going to go to the mixing room and get the paint ready. We're now in the fit-up stage. This is where the vehicle will get pieced back together, ready to move to the valet bay. The Range Rover is now complete. I hope you've all enjoyed the video and got more of an understanding of what really happens behind the scenes on this type of repair. Please like, share and subscribe to all our social media videos. Thanks for watching.